Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to create this beautiful pale color, big, nice stage and lobby arrangement. Let's watch together. Let's together make this beautiful pale color flower as I chose for this large lobby arrangement. I start with nice, good hydrangea as always. I chose pale green and also kind of white together. I create shape. I always have two foam together in this number 11 Lumi dish. I go out, I create line here. We make this very nice and big for any large lobby, hotel, registration, for wedding, any area that you need large, big arrangement. I create shape with hydrangea or any primary flower. And then I go with secondary and other flower. This shape is round, so I go everywhere. We can make this very nice and big. I'm gonna use some white rose and some beautiful pale color. These are really very nice, beautiful rose. Look at that. And then we add all other flower that I have. Roses, white roses, they can go everywhere. We can open it and give them more nicer look. You probably know this technique. I use this technique to open the rose. Look, the white one, they are look like gardenia after they open. Very nice and look good. I make sure I go in between every hydrangea. Just be very careful. Your rose look gorgeous like this. I continue this shape all around everywhere. Bring the leaves and greenery out. Probably for this arrangement you need about 15 hydrangea. We talk about cost of flower. It's very important for everybody to know how much is cost of each arrangement in order to sell it better, or even if you give as a gift, you know how much. So 15 hydrangea in here and perhaps 25 roses, maybe one bunch. I do half and half, some white and some this beautiful peach. This is also from Ecuador. I love this. Oh my God, I love it. You need to clean all your greenery and bring the petals out. Make them a little bit open. Make sure they are out of refrigerator one night prior to your project. Sometimes they have 2 or 3, sometimes only 1 guard, but they are absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to do different kind of flower. You can do just roses. One bunch of rose from Ecuador has 25 stems. You can use all 25 stems in one arrangement, or you can add some other flower to it. Even that they were out of refrigerator, but still they are very cold. Now I'm gonna use some of my favorite chromone. Chromones are very beautiful, especially look at the color. So beautiful. When they open, they are very gorgeous. They are chrysanthemum family, and all colors are natural, not dyed, so that make it more unique and beautiful. As you noticed, hydrangea was my primary. Roses and chrysanthemum or chromones are secondary. But I have some very surprising flower for you to see. Summer flower, paper flower. Very nice color. So the only thing I have to clean them properly. I go with them everywhere, only they need to be clean. The greenery is very hard, so maybe I have to have cleaned first before even I start. It's like processing flower, so need to be cleaned properly. Cleaning takes time, so extra greenery needs to come out. A little bit more of this. These are just my favorites, so they are very beautiful. Soft flower. I am working in back of arrangement. I just wanted to make sure it's balanced because when it goes in lobby, it's round. It has to, everywhere has to be exact same. Few more of this straw or paper flower under and around, under and everywhere. You can reach out to minadesignschool.com if we have event also. I did about 2 bunches, going back to subject of pricing. I did about 2 bunches of straw flower, my favorite, Scabiusa, summer flower. Also, extra greenery out and push them anywhere that you want. As a filler maybe, or as an extra accent. The color is beautiful for any occasion. I think I used so far good amount of flower, but I need to make sure everything is in very good shape and show the real original beauty of each flower. Okay, I'm gonna add some pale color carnation, Ecuadorian novelty colors. So these are a little fancy carnation that mostly used for wedding. I'm gonna go everywhere that I think I may need some, just to fill up the holes. Not too many, because I can add rose if I want, roses and spray roses, but just few to give nicer accent. And make sure always open your carnation, hand open, just like we do roses. You can open carnation. These are not regular daily carnation that you can see everywhere, like in supermarket. You don't see this kind of carnation. This is very beautiful. Okay, I have few more of this beautiful Scabiusa. I'm gonna see where I can add them. And then final touch would be the spray roses. The spray roses also, they can be very nice. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at the shape and personality. Okay, now I'm gonna add some spray roses. Anywhere that I feel I need some. I start from back. These are also pale pink, nice spray roses. Okay, you just clean them and make them size that you want. Usually I don't like to cut them all together, one by one. I like to put them in, so I am going to do all of them. Cut first and then go in. Okay, so I am doing some final touch. When you have this many flowers in one arrangement, sometimes it's a little difficult to add more. So I think if we go with number of flowers, we have about 1 dozen or 15 carnation, this kind of carnation, 1 bunch of Scabiusa, 1 bunch of cromone, 1 bunch of 25 stem roses, 2 colors, 1 bunch of straw flower, this kind of flower. I think it's okay. This last one, I think it was a little open gap here. I think the rest is good. So this is almost finished. Okay, this is finished arrangement. If you notice, I changed the container, not because I changed container. I usually make on top of something to bring the higher that I can work together. I can work around it, especially it's round. I wanted to make sure it stays very solid to work with. And then when it's done, I put it on top of my desired container. This is metal container that it's nice antique look, but this arrangement is lobby arrangement, can go in front and lobby of any area or just lobby of hotel, entrance table for a stage arrangement, for altar arrangement, for any area you can use this beautiful collar and round arrangement. If you like to learn more about this design, please check us at minadesignschool.com or subscribe this channel. Thank you.